I had been watching the YYC Fempreneurs in our local Facebook group and just kind of watching and seeing who's this Lindsay Berry and what's she all about. And I really liked that she was local to me. That was important. Being a solopreneur, I mostly run my business by myself, and that has been a really lonely place. So when you're always in your head and always in your business, you tend to miss things that might not be working or things that you could change to improve how your business functions and how you make money. I signed up for her 6-week marketing course. I was terrified. I was terrified because I felt I was less than. Would I fit? A lot of the girls that were in the group had coaching businesses or organizing businesses, and I was a product-based business, so I felt different. But I soon came to realize that I wasn't really the underlying theme of everything. I wasn't different. We all had the same challenges. We all had the same fears. We all had the same goals, and that was to serve other people. And with the way COVID changed our world, I had to figure out how to serve people differently. And I needed to do some marketing, and that was not something that I'd done before. It was always on my to-do list, but I really had no idea where to begin and what to begin with. So if you had told me 2.5, 3 years ago that I would be on here right now doing a video, I would have laughed at you. To actually put my face out there into the world and say, hey, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is how I can help you, that was not something I was comfortable with. So not only did I learn kind of the ins and outs of Facebook marketing and Instagram and an email list and how to create that and why it's important. Not only did I learn that and more, I found a group of women, like-minded women, that are my best and biggest supports. If I need to bounce something off of them, they're there. And I realized that you shouldn't operate solo. It's allowed me to kind of change the way I think and the way I look at things. And that in and of itself I couldn't put a price tag on it. So another thing that I'm doing, and I'm kind of quiet, I don't like to kind of toot my own horn a lot, but I've been working on writing I call it a guidebook. So it's a guidebook about branding and the importance of branding and consistency in your logo and your graphics and your colors, and why you need to have a strong brand and that a brand is more than just a logo.
Fast forward to September 2022, Shannon completed the book writing program with me and other fempreneurs. That program is called Fem Authors, by the way. You can check that out on the website. And her book is done. I'm so proud of Shannon. She pushed through a lot of imposter syndrome, that feeling of who am I to write a book, which I remember feeling as well. So you can check out Shannon's book on Amazon. If you're looking to rebrand or your brand isn't really fitting who you are and what you do, Shannon's guidebook will walk you through all the steps you need to take to feeling really confident in your brand, and not only feeling that way yourself, but giving that confidence and clarity to others who see your visual brand and hear your brand message. All right, let's get back to Shannon's testimonial.
If you're looking to connect with a group of women that want to see you succeed, that want to help you succeed, this is where you want to be. Reach out to Lindsay Berry, YYC Fempreneurs. Thank you.